This is Malang,
and we are students of UMM. How exciting is it to be studying in UMM?
What's more,
This is so exciting!
Undergoing a series of processes in this wide campus resembles a commitment to excel. The tagline, "Each achievement is worth appreciation," is reverbing and proven to be real. International robotic contest winners are freed from writing theses. Filming novelists deserves the same scenario. Successful entrepreneurs are offered the same change. More success stories are ready to unveil.
Synchronizing the student achievements, the campus itself hits more lists. Accredited an excellent A from Bank PT. Granted ASEAN Energy Awards triggers UMM to be an energy-generating and saving campus. 13 times in a row awarded as the first-ranked private university in East Java. Central Laboratory guarantees its quality assurance. The quality is evident by paying ISO 9001 and ISO 75025. Certified laboratories by National Accreditation Committee. Recognized beyond national scope, most study programs have been internationally certified and accredited by ONQA, EAB, World Federation Medical Education, and more to go. In 2021, UMM is recognized by Unirank as the world's best Islamic university.
Mengucapkan selamat kepada perguruan tinggi Muhammadiyah yang telah berhasil menduduki top Islamic Universities versi Unirank, yakni Universitas Muhammadiyah Malang pada peringkat 1. Selamat dan sukses kepada perguruan tinggi Muhammadiyah.
I guarantee there are a lot more to come. UMM has shaped its international atmosphere. UMM students are welcomed to opportunities to study with foreign incoming students via HAPS or scholarships, to name regular track, KNB, Dharma Siswa, language and cultural immersion tailored by BIPA. UMM on-campus international corners offer cozy space, American corner, China corner, Thai corner, India corner, and Aussie banget corner. UMM is renowned for its international community service programs and internship. International collaboration are overflowing. Let's say a collaboration with Temasek Foundation Singapore for community engagement in both countries, Confucius Institute China for lecturer and student exchange, CICS Australian inviting Australian scholars to dive into Indonesian cultures, and Midcare Japan promoting UMM graduates as a fast ticket to work in Japan. Last but not least, partnership with Erasmus+, European Union Consortium offering international studies, teaching, and research in Europe, and many more. Wow! UMM is wow!
study processes are enticing. UMM guarantees that the students will graduate in 4 years, be independent, and work.
Is that all?
That's not the end of the list. Character education remains the key. Character and leadership training equips freshmen with strong energy to embark their study. Islamic values are integrated during Quranic literacy program. A tailored course named Al-Islam and Muhammadiyah Studies exemplifies the vision. UMM students are honed to care about their neighboring societies.
Community service and partner village development program is one of which. social skills are sharpened. UMM lecturers also lead by their participating in community engagement programs in the areas of supervising tourism villages, agriculture, and partnerships. Student practicums are challenging. Students are to seek a real client, and together, they solve their clients' problems. A collaboration with Indana Pain CSR has come up with Jodipan, the village of colors. Rexeng goes viral. A lot more to go viral.
We want more. UMM applied laboratories are study places of campus to be accessed. Here are on the long list. UMM General Hospital,
AMF Hospital Sumbawa,
Race Hotel, Kapal Garden Hotel, Rooftop Resto and Cafe, Sengkaling Recreational Park, Rinjani Auto, UMM Energy Gas Station, UMM Dome, Bumi Rinjani Syariah Bank, Micro Hydro Power Plant.
So, what are you waiting for? Let's be the part of this white campus.
Dream, achievement, and inspiration are one of perfect combination.
Program Studi Fisioterapi Universitas Muhammadiyah Malang merupakan program studi S1 fisioterapi pertama di Jawa Timur. Telah terakreditasi B oleh LAM PTKes, terkemuka dan berkeunggulan di bidang fisioterapi komunitas berbasis pengembangan ITEX dan nilai-nilai keislaman untuk meningkatkan daya saing bangsa. Sebagai upaya mencetak lulusan yang unggul, profesional, dan berwawasan global, terdapat kegiatan kemahasiswaan nasional maupun internasional. Memiliki fasilitas penunjang pembelajaran berupa klinik pendidikan fisioterapi dan laboratorium dengan alat-alat yang sangat lengkap, yakni laboratorium pengukuran, pediatri, elektro, komunitas, terapi latihan, dan gimnastik. Menyediakan pengalaman belajar dengan pakar dari dalam dan luar negeri yang ahli di bidangnya. Siapkan dirimu untuk meraih prestasi, berkarya, mengabdi, dan menginspirasi untuk bangsa bersama Universitas Muhammadiyah Malang.